Hi, this is Dr. Catherine Brown. I'm here to help you locate acupressure point pericardium 6. This point is pretty easy to find if you know what you're looking for and know a couple of tricks. So with your hand facing palm upward, you would take your opposite hand and the pointer finger and place the pointer finger in the middle of the wrist on the crease. Now, when you do this, you want to run that pointer finger up the two tendons. That you're going to feel a couple of tendons. And if you don't feel the tendons, start flexing your fingers and you'll feel two tendons very, very clearly. Now, pericardium 6 is simply too soon above the crease of the wrist, as soon as the thumb's width. So you would just measure one thumb's width and two thumbs width, and where that thumb lands on the outside is pericardium 6. In clinic, I instruct my patients to apply the fire element acu-stick several times a day. The fire element acupressure stick contains pure essential oils that activate the point, and so you can use the stick with or without pressure, and a lot of my patients don't have time to do acupressure rotation. If you do apply the pressure, you'll want to do it most likely in a clockwise rotation with medium pressure. A lot of you will recognize this point as the seasickness point, so it definitely helps with all kinds of nausea and stomach issues, but it also affects the heart and works for palpitations and cardiac pain. Details on using this point are located at Ageless Herbs on the acupressure directions page, and it will include different ailments and point combinations and all the diseases that this point will treat. You will also find tons of information about how to use acupressure and Chinese medicine for specific health concerns, and you can deepen your knowledge about Chinese medicine at agelessherbs.com. Thanks for watching my video. Likes are much appreciated, and please subscribe to my channel. Be well.